Organ donors are the unsung heroes, many of them in a state of eternal rest, to provide a ray of hope to otherwise terminally ill patients suffering serious liver ailments and chronic kidney diseases. In their honor, an opus of sculpted stone was unveiled today at the National Kidney Transplant Institute, with some of the fortunate and surviving beneficiaries around to hail and thank them. Bian Manalo took his team to the inauguration and he found the story.
Francesca almost lost hope after suffering different complications during a 2-year battle with autoimmune disease.
I felt very weak. Lagi po akong nasa bahay. I cannot do any normal activities. It almost brought me to the brink of death po talaga.
Francesca's liver was severely damaged. Because of that, she had to undergo a liver transplant to save her life. And just this October, she also had surgery.
Kaya po ngayon na nagpatuloy po akong nagpapagaling, mas marami na po akong nagagawa compared nung may sakit po ako. Laking pasasalamat ko po sa NKTI, sa Hope, and even sa family nang nag-donate ng organ ko.
Francesca, one of the patients who had successful organ transplant, attended the formal inauguration of the statue titled Vita Infinitum at the National Kidney and Transplant Institute. This monument served as a tribute to the deceased organ donors who offered a part of their body for the living of others. At the NKTI record, more than 10 patients await a liver transplant, while more than 300 patients are in line for a kidney transplant.
Maganda ang success rate ng transplant dito sa Pilipinas. Makukumpara natin yan siya, no, sa buong mundo, lalo na sa Asia. Ilagay natin 95% success rate natin, lalo na kung living donation.
The NKTI pushes deceased organ donation to encourage donors for patients who are in great need and terminally ill. They continue to issue and echo a warning to the public regarding the sale of human organs, which is against the law. Meanwhile, the NKTI is concerned over the continued increase of chronic kidney disease cases in the Philippines. Cases of CKD are on gradual climb from 17 to 20% in the country. According to the data of the Department of Health, more than 1 million Filipinos are afflicted with kidney disease and 80% of them undergo dialysis.
Tumataas din ang mga pasyente na may chronic kidney disease na nauuwi sa dialysis at transplantation.
More so, the department advises the public to pay heed to important reminders to prevent stone disease. Bian Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.